Shoulder pain is something millions of people struggle with every single day, whether from long hours at a desk, lifting heavy objects, or simply bad posture. The discomfort can feel unbearable, but what if there was a way to ease it right at home, in just minutes? Imagine being able to move your arm freely again without that sharp, nagging pain holding you back. No expensive treatments, no long waits, just simple physiotherapy movements that bring instant relief. That's exactly what we're diving into today. The shoulder is one of the most mobile joints in your body, but that flexibility also makes it vulnerable to tension and stiffness. To release this pressure, start with gentle shoulder rolls, forward and backward, about 10 times each. This warms up the muscles and improves circulation. Next, try a doorway chest stretch. Stand tall, place your hands on either side of a doorway, and lean forward to open up tight chest muscles that pull on your shoulders. Finally, finish with pendulum swings. Bend slightly forward, let your arm hang, and gently swing it in small circles. These techniques loosen tight tissues, reduce inflammation, and bring relief in minutes. Shoulder pain doesn't have to control your day. By practicing these easy physiotherapy movements consistently, you can prevent stiffness, improve posture, and keep your shoulders strong and mobile. Give these a try today and feel the difference instantly.